Kareena Kapoor eats the same food for 18 years. So Kareena Kapoor Khan has been eating the same food every day, every single day. Same food. और मैं हूँ कि मैं मंडे को डाइट शुरू करती हूँ और ट्यूसडे को मैं भूल भी जाती हूँ. And then I say, मेरे साथ ही ऐसा क्यों होता है? But this article really got me thinking. Is it really about fancy diets? Or it's just about eating basic normal food? What are your thoughts on it? But what is Kareena eating every day which got her hooked to the same meal? मैं सोच रही हूँ कोई बहुत ही फैंसी सा प्रोटीन बोल है, एवोकाडो टोस्ट है विद माचा लाटे. क्या सच में ऐसा है? No. She has been eating the same food which we ditch. और हम हर बार चले जाते हैं स्विगी जोमेटो करने. Simple दाल, राइस, सब्जी, पुलाव, खिचड़ी, कर्ड and some dry fruits. That's the essence of simplicity and consistency. अगर हम भी ये अपनी लाइफ में ला पाते हैं ना, तो हमें कोई फैंसी मील प्लान नहीं चाहिए. हम बस सिंपल खाना खाते हुए भी फिट रह सकते हैं. बट ये सुनते ही आप सबके माइंड में ख्याल आया होगा, सेम फूड हर दिन 18 साल हमसे ना हो पाएगा. हमसे तो सेम फेस वॉश भी हर दिन यूज नहीं किया जाता है. 1 महीने की कंसिस्टेंसी हम रख ले तो क्या बात है. Now hear me out. It's not about what she's eating. It's about how she's eating. Simple meals. Simple and common combinations. Zero drama. And consistency. आजकल ना हम खाना नहीं खाते हैं, कंटेंट बनाते हैं. ब्रेकफास्ट में gluten free quinoa with Greek yogurt and dragon fruit, which has come God knows from where. Meanwhile, Kareena be like, एक bowl दाल दे दो please. This is not laziness. This is discipline. We grew up eating Indian food. हर दिन शुरू से हमारे पेरेंट्स भी वही खा रहे हैं. But now we have started calling it carbs and running away from it. दाल क्या है? Protein. Roti, rice is equal to carbs. Veggies, fiber and curd is good for our gut health. But then why to run away from these? You don't need 5,000 rupees का diet chart to stay fit. You only need homemade food, consistency and हाँ cheat meal में pizza burger नहीं खाने का. We complicate food so much. Monday को detox करेंगे, Tuesday को keto, Wednesday को intermittent fasting, Thursday को binging, Friday को guilt eating and Monday को फिर से डिटॉक्स करेंगे. यार I ate pizza, so now I'll only drink लौकी का जूस for next 3 days. But why? Food is not your enemy. It's your fuel. Then Kareena didn't try 50 different trends. She just found out what works for her and stuck to it. I think that's the real flex. So no, you don't need to eat like Kareena, but you need to eat like you. Every day, mindfully, not guiltily. So pick 2-3 basic meals which work for you. Stick to the timing. And अगर हो सके ना तो try to avoid after 7-7:30 in the evening. Okay, that's it. There is no rocket science beyond it. क्योंकि glowing skin and flat tummy का secret ना किसी filter में नहीं होता बल्कि आपकी plate में ही होता है. So hats off to Kareena for being that consistent and a little reminder to us that the secret of fitness is not in the fridge, it's in our everyday habits. So whether you eat quinoa or aloo paratha, eat with peace and not with pressure. Body बन जाएगी, पहले mind set कर लो. हर काम हासिल always begins with a plate. See you in the next vlog. Thank you so much for watching guys, and if you have any questions or any comments, please let me know. I would be glad to have a conversation with you next time. तब तक के लिए take care, eat healthy and have a balanced diet. Bye bye.